What is up, guys? Thank you so much for checking out another video, guys. I really appreciate that. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe if you haven't, and you hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I just want to talk about the gold, silver, platinum, and palladium prices today. We got a lot of movement going on today, both in precious metals and in the stock market. And it seems right around pre-market, so before the stock market opened up, all the PMs took a little bit of a hit. We had the Dow going up, and as you know, right now, as I'm making this video, pretty much the Dow is up around 900 points. So a little bit of a recovery on the stock end and a little bit of a hit on the precious metal end. But trust me, lately, nothing makes sense. I'm going to be honest. The stock market doesn't make sense, and the precious metal market doesn't make any sense. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens over the next couple of weeks now that we have the economy opening back up. So I'm going to talk about the prices a little bit and just give you a little bit of advice about how to navigate the current premiums, because as silver is going up in price, the spot price of silver is going up, we also have the premiums going up. So it's still a very difficult market to navigate right now. And for any new stackers, my suggestion to you would really be to buy generics right now. If you want to get your hands on silver, buy the generics. Not the most attractive pieces of silver in the world, but if you want to get as close to spot as possible and not feel like you overpaid or possibly really overpay, to be honest, we'll go over that in a minute, but the best way would be to buy some of those generics and really do a lot of research before pulling the trigger. Trust me, there's always going to be deals on silver. You just got to be patient and find them. There's always, no matter what the spot price is, there's always going to be deals. And no matter what the premium is or the demand, there's always going to be those deals. So, it's going to be interesting, like I said, over the next 2 weeks. I know a lot of you guys don't believe in this virus or a second wave. So let me know what you think down in the comments about the potential of that and what you think about the markets, the precious metal market, the premiums, everything. Put that down in the comments. Let's get the conversation going, guys. All right. So anyways, gold, what did it do? And as I'm going through these charts, you're really going to see how similar across the board these charts are. They all kind of went down around the same time. Very similar charts, you're going to see. So, all right, gold pretty much peaked at 7:10 a.m. at 1782.02 and took a couple of real nasty hits, went up one more time, and then just kind of leveled off. And now it seems like it might be trending in the upward direction. We'll have to see later on in the day. But as of right now, 1749.90, it is down $19.90. Then silver started off down here and actually has gained today. It peaked around the same time, maybe 50 minutes after gold peaked at $17.66. Took a hit, took another hit, took one more hit, went up, and kind of just leveled off here. And it seems like it might be trending upward, kind of. Not as sharp as gold, though. So, on the day so far, silver is up 42 cents. Then we got platinum. Platinum, right around the same time again, 7:50 a.m. 869.44 for platinum. Took a massive hit, followed by another hit, and leveled off. And also has that slight upward trend just like silver. So right around the same time, they all took a hit at that same point. They kind of peaked and then went down. Palladium is the only one that's a little bit different. You're going to see it right now. So we had a huge spike at 2135.45. That's not the high for the day, believe it or not. That was yesterday at 10 p.m. The high was actually right here at 11:40 a.m. So, like I said, a little bit different, and it also didn't drop off like gold, silver, and platinum. So, a little bit different for palladium. And it pretty much peaked right here at 2128.33 at 11:40 this morning. And it's kind of going on the downward trend as of right now. So, as you guys know, right now, the prices of gold, the prices of silver, platinum, it really doesn't matter. The dealers are making the prices right now. It is all about the demand. That it's 100% about the demand. We still have Eagles going for a massive premium. Look at this, $30 for one Eagle. It's insanity. Almost double the spot price. And that's pretty much across the board with these massive premiums. $28.44 for SD bullion. So this is the volume price, $27.04. Right now, the better buy would probably be the Maples, which up until last month, pretty much, they were not even, you couldn't even find them. Now they're being sold for about $23.74. This is the cheapest that I've seen, I think. A couple weeks back, SD bullion was actually selling these for $20 a pop. I bought 5. I wish I would have bought more. And as I was setting up to do the video, I must have just caught the back end of that sale. They pretty much took the deal off and they went back to normal prices. Couldn't get the video out in time for you guys. So that was a shame. But for new stackers, what I would do, if you want to get your hands on some silver, you're going to have to look around. You got to be patient. Like I said, there's always deals on silver. Now, you're most likely going to have to be buying a lot of this generic stuff right now, just if you want to get your hands on silver at a decent price. $20 is not bad, but it's generic. It's not the most attractive coins in the world, but at least you're getting your hands on silver. You're accumulating at a decent price. But if you're buying these at $30 a pop, this is where my mindset is. And obviously, you guys are adults. It's your money. You got to make your own decisions. I'm not 100% right. I could be 100% wrong. But my thoughts on this, and I've experienced something very similar to the way the market is now back in the day. $30 Eagles. You're buying at 30. You're locking your price in at $30 per Eagle, which this is massively overpriced. I mean, you just look at other dealers and find a better price. $30 is a lot. But you're locking yourself in at $30. Let's say the spot price of silver stays the same, okay? Even goes up a little bit, but the demand comes down. The premiums, the percentage of premium on these coins is going to start to shrink, and they're going to be sold for cheaper. And you're already bought really, really high, $30. So you got to keep that in mind. So if the demand comes down right now, all these prices, like this $30 Eagle, is driven 100% by demand. So if that demand comes down or levels off, then they're going to be sold for cheaper and you're already out. Let's say they start selling for $25 a pop. You just lost $5 per Eagle. Right now, another way you could buy is actually from private sellers. I just made a video on Instagram sellers. That's how most of my buying has been through Instagram lately. Best deals as of right now. Reasonable prices for silver on Instagram. But yeah, these Eagles, $30 a pop is insane. So, but you could come here. This is findbullionprices.com and kind of look around and, you know, check it every day, sometimes multiple times a day, and, you know, take it from there. But what do you guys think? We got the economy opening up. The next 2 weeks are going to be really, really big. We got the stock market recovering a bit. And like I said, it just so happened on this chart. Let's use, actually, I like this one. I like the Amex chart better. Right around here, like I said, which was pre-market, the Dow was going up. The whole stock market was going up. Everything was up pre-market. And that's right around when gold and silver started taking those hits. So I'm curious to see what happens with that. And like I said, I mean, nothing makes sense. You read some of the articles, it's pretty funny. And, you know, you get a negative report from a company, and then all of a sudden it goes up 10%. It just doesn't make any sense. But I think gold, silver, I think all the precious metals are going to hold on to a really nice spot price, if not go up. And I'm usually very conservative with my spot price of silver, you know, what's going to happen. But I think with all the printing of the money and all the inflation that's going to be happening, some serious inflation, I think gold and silver are going to hold, if not go up in price. And I think a lot of people are also starting to get in on that idea as well, with the government printing this stimulus. So that's just my opinion, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget, tonight, 8:30 p.m., we'll be doing an auction. 8:30 p.m. Eastern, we'll be doing my auction. I hope to see you guys there, and I will talk to you guys later.